Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting your barcode scanner and opening the Excel sheet where you will store codes. Make sure the scanner is recognized as a keyboard input device. This lets Excel receive scans directly. Once done, create or focus the barcode column and place the cursor in the first data cell so the scanner will paste there. If you want consistent format, enable data validation or set the column as text. This prevents leading zeros from being dropped. You now scan each item one after another. The scanner types the barcode into the active cell and often sends Enter or Tab, advancing the selection automatically. Make your range an Excel table to auto-expand when a new row appears, and add formulas in adjacent columns to compute price, description, or stock. If you must parse complex codes or match SKUs to a master list, use Power Query or a short VBA macro. These automate lookups and reduce manual cleanup substantially. To finish, run validation on the barcode column and apply conditional formatting to flag blanks or duplicates. This helps you catch scanning errors early. Once validated, save or export as CSV or sync with your inventory database to update stock levels. If things go wrong, make sure the scanner's suffix is set to Enter or Tab, verify your PC keyboard layout matches the scanner, and confirm the column's cell format is text so leading zeros remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.